So these are the top 5 easiest 5.7 Hemi Ram mods that are perfect for a beginner. If you just got your Ram and you don't really know much on what do you want to do, these are the mods I'm going to be sharing with you guys that's perfect for you right now in this video. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Happy Monday, first day of the week. Got to be grateful to be able to see another day of the week, man. It's a blessing. And in today's video, if you are wondering what is a top 5, like you trying to figure out some kind of mods for your truck and you're new to the 5.7 Hemi world, or you are new to the Dodge Ram 1500 world, and you're trying to know mods that you could do to your truck that is perfect for you, you know, only your first truck or only your first 5.7 Hemi Ram. So that's exactly what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today in this video to help you out from me to you. So before we get into this video, I want to say, if you are here on the channel for your first time and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'm not just going to tell you guys to click something that you don't really know much about. So let me give you guys a breakdown on this channel, exactly what this channel is about. This channel is based on my 2014 Dodge Ram 1500. So if you are a Mopar guy or a car guy or any kind of, you know, if you're interested in any kind of fast stuff, cars, whatever this and that, bikes, pretty much, you know, we both share the same exact chemistry, whatever you want to call it. But you got to hit that subscribe button. This truck right here is what this channel is based off of. And I got a whole lot of changes coming for this truck. Building one of the baddest Ram, 4th generation Ram on YouTube. So you definitely want to be able to stick around for that. So with that being said, what is the top 5 easiest 5.7 Hemi Ram mods perfect for a beginner? When I mean a beginner, I'm talking about somebody who you just got a Ram or you just got a 5.7 Hemi, whatever, you know, and you're trying to figure out, like, what are some of the mods that I could do? I don't really know much about the Hemi life, this and that. So, well, obviously the first mod I'll say that can help you, that I know for, like, these Hemi Ram, that is a good startup that definitely will help you make some power. Nothing too crazy, but it's definitely going to be worth the money you spend. Is you want to start off with number 1 is you got to get out, like, you got to start from, I'm gonna say you got to start from here, right? Number 1, your core air intake, your stock cold air intake that's on these trucks. You want to eliminate that. First thing I would say you want to do is that get like an aftermarket core intake. For me, I have the air raid core intake. Now, if you're doing a core intake, I would recommend that you stay away from like the metal con, because they are definitely a heat extractor pretty much, especially if it's hot during the summertime. That's not going to help your engine to be able to breathe in cold air and stuff like that. So it's really going to bring in more heat. So that's why I would recommend that if you're going with an aftermarket core air intake, you got to go with the plastic. The plastic is the best one for you. There's a ton of different brands out there, but me personally, I got the air raid core intake. So if you're interested in that, you can search it up and cop yourself one. Now, after you do that, the next thing I would recommend to do is you got to do some you want if you got the 5.7 Hemi, you got to understand you got to have some kind of sound to it, like for you to be able to enjoy that Hemi sound. You got to add some kind of sound to it. Now, with that being said, this is where a custom aftermarket exhaust system come in place. Now, exhaust, obviously it depends on your truck. If it has a dual exhaust or a single exhaust, really don't matter. But exhaust I like with these trucks that I'll tell you guys is the AWE catback exhaust system. Get yourself a free flow exhaust system. You can do Corsa, you can do Borla, you can do there's a whole lot of different brands out there, man. Like it's endless brands when it comes to exhaust system. Now, if you decide you don't want to go the exhaust route, where, you know, I get it, it's too pricey, this and that, but you could just simply do a scrape pipe, or it's gonna be loud, but scrape pipe or muffler delete, or if not, get yourself a some kind of muffler. The ones I like on, like, for mufflers, like the ones I like with good sounding, in my opinion, for these trucks, is the Corsa muffler, or probably, I'll say after that, I'll say probably like the, I'll say Borlas, but Flowmasters, to me, they just too much. But now that'll be a second thing you'll want to do. Third thing I would say to turn it up a notch, if you're doing exhaust system, you gotta go with long tube headers. Now, there's a bunch of things out there. You'll see people doing short tube headers, but I would not waste my money on trying to get some short tube headers. I'd rather just go the long tube header route, where you're gonna have a great sounding truck. It's gonna sound real good compared to like the shorty headers and stuff. They not really like the best when it comes to when you're trying to add like that sound to your truck. In my personal opinion, I wouldn't spend my money on the short tube headers. I'll just go the long tube headers route, and that should be it. Now you got yourself core air intake, pretty much some aftermarket exhaust system. Now you got yourself some long tube headers. Now you're thinking, what can you really do to turn it up a little bit more, to where you could get a little bit more performance out of your truck? Now, the next thing I'll say that you have to do, anybody that has these Hemi Ram and stuff, like, I personally feel like this mod I'm about to name is one of the mods that is definitely a must and recommended, which I would say for me is the custom camshaft is something that has to be done. Like with these trucks, I feel like it's necessary 100%, not just for sound purposes, but definitely gonna help you overall, your truck overall, with a huge performance gain. And you're gonna get a nice little sound, like nice little chopping sound from whatever camshaft you decide you want to go with. Now, when you do camshaft, I would recommend that you do try to look into doing like a custom tune. After you do a custom tune, you do a 6.4 truck intake manifold. Get rid of it. Get rid of your 5.7 Hemi pretty much stock intake manifold. Now, those 5 mods right there alone would definitely be like, those are like, for me, honestly, I think it's a perfect beginner mods. If you just got a Hemi Ram and you really just want to add a little bit of a spiciness to it, if that makes sense, to where you could be able to, you could be able to have some fun driving it, especially if it's a daily driver. Like, these are the mods that I feel like it's perfect for a beginner when you just got your Ram. And there's ton of mods out there you could do to the 5.7 Hemi. This is why I like the 5.7 Hemi, is like, you don't really have less option. Like, you got a ton of different things you could do. It's like endless modification. But these are the perfect beginner mods I feel like you could do to your 5.7 Hemi Ram today, tomorrow, next week, whenever. But that's gonna be it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe and peace out.